Hey there, future prompt engineers. Are you tired of shifting through responses from language models? Do you dream of harnessing their true potential to create mind blowing content, automate tasks, and even land six-figure gig? Enter the world of prompt engineering, the secret sauce, unlocking the hidden superpowers of AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud. Buckle up because today's lecture will transform you from passive user to a master puppeteer of AI language. You want to create stunning marketing copy, craft captivating scripts, or write code at lightning speed with AI, is it right? But how do you unlock its true potential? That's where prompt engineering comes in. Let's start with the sizzling truth. Skilled prompt engineers are commanding salaries from $200,000 to over $1 million. Yes, you heard that right. Top companies like Microsoft, Google, and startups are scrambling to snatch up these AI whisperers. Are you ready to join the high paid elite? So, first of all, let's go into a brief history of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering isn't some new age fad. It's the evolution of a language human collaboration story dating back to Eliza, the first chatbot from the 60s. Remember Siri's early stumbles? Prompt engineering helped her become the helpful companion she is today. Now, with AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini reaching new heights, the demand for skilled prompt engineers is exploding. Now you will ask, what exactly is prompt engineering? Forget complex jargon. Think of a prompt as the magical spell you cast on an AI jinn. It's the set of instruction that guides the AI towards completing your desired task. Be it writing a poem, summarizing research, or translating languages. You, the prompt engineer, are the sorcerer crafting the perfect spell to unleash the AI magic. For now, what skills do you need to become a high paying prompt engineer? Don't worry, you don't need a crystal ball to excel in this field. Here is the magic formula. Now, the first one is AI literacy. Understand the strengths and limitation of different language models. Second is natural language processing. Now what does this natural language processing means? Grasp how language works and how to manipulate it effectively. This is called natural language processing. Third, critical thinking. Analyze large dataset and identify patterns to craft targeted prompt. This is called critical thinking. Then creativity. Think outside the box to design prompts that push the boundaries of AI capability. And fifth, adaptability. Stay ahead of the curve as AI technology rapidly evolves. Now imagine the possibilities. Generate personalized marketing copy that converts like crazy. Automate website content update. Or even write entire novel with AI assistant. The power is in your hand. This course will equip you with the knowledge and skill to transform into a high-paid prompt engineer. Are you ready to unlock your potential and join the AI revolution? Don't wait. Start your prompt engineering journey today and watch your career soar to new heights. Remember, the AI world is vast and skilled prompt engineers are the rare gems everyone's searching for. Resize the opportunity and write your own success story with the power of AI at your fingertip. So that was for our today's lecture. Now let's meet in the next lecture. Bye bye guys.